How to recover your end-to-end encrypted chats on Facebook Messenger. Before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. That would help out a lot. So let's begin. First, you want to tap on these three dots at the top left, and from here tap on the gear icon to open your settings. And if you scroll down under preferences, you can see privacy and safety. And inside there, you can see under security, end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap on it. Now from here, you're going to tap on message storage. And after that, you will turn on your secure storage. So first, you will have to create a 6-digit PIN for your secure storage. You can just enter your PIN. And now once you've entered, you can confirm your PIN. Now, as you can see, my secure storage is turned on right now. So all of these, my messages and everything will be backed up here, my end-to-end encrypted chats. So from here, you want to go to your account center. So scroll all the way down on your settings, tap on see more in account center. Now what you want to do is download your information. So go to your information and permissions and tap on download your information. From here, you can request a new download. So download or transfer information. Select your Facebook account, tap on next, and from here you want to choose the specific types of information because you don't want to download everything, you just want your messages. So choose your messages, so all of your end-to-end encrypted chats will be inside your messages. You can download it directly to your device or transfer to destination. I'm just going to download to device and tap on next. You can choose your email right here. I suggest you keep the HTML format. So once you do that, tap on create files. Now this will send a request to Messenger. So this will be accepted within 24 hours or within 48 hours. So within that time period, you will get a download option instead of this cancel right here. Then you can easily recover all of your end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. I hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.